Hello everyone, I'm Christian.
And I'm Tracy.
And we're Tumbleweed RV Life, coming to you from La Paz, Baja California South. We mentioned in our previous video, we're actually in La Paz today with some family. We're going to take some video, look at all the quaint shops. You'll find, or at least we found, that La Paz is a lot nicer than Cabo and even San Jose. This is where people who live here are local here, whereas in Cabo and San Jose, people are from everywhere and they come in to work. This is more of a community. The shops are a lot quainter. There's more history here, and the people are definitely very nice, and it's easygoing pace.
I want to go shopping.
Come along today, let's go have some fun.
Tourists around. There's Moe's Bar from The Simpsons.
Here we are in one of the many markets. The whole street is closed off. There are food carts and the aroma is freaking amazing. Oh, it smells so good. But we're gonna walk this market. We're gonna go all the way through and we'll just take some video. Basically, lots of t-shirts, hats, jewelry. Oh, for little guys.
Este es como más oscurito y ese como más azulito.
¿Sí? Papa Tata bought.
Well, there you go. We made it back. I hope you liked all that footage of the drive back. If there's anything in particular you'd like to see, let us know. We're very curious if you like videos that are short and fast forward and to the point. Or do you like views and sounds and something a little bit more slower and enjoy the moment type videos, maybe a little bit longer? Just let us know.
More rustic.
There you go. Leave it in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell, so we'll let you know when we put up new videos.
Thumbs up.
All right. And we'll catch you on the next one.